EVII initiative, enabling the next generation.
To do business.
Hey everyone, Warren Navarro here, COO of EVII Initiative. We're enabling the next generation. And today, I'm excited to talk to you about the EV charging business and how you can win in this rapidly growing market. There are 3 key strategies that can set you up for success, so let's dive into it right now. First up is hardware sales and operation. This is about selling the hardware to a third-party property and then providing the ongoing EV charging services. When you sell the hardware, you get that upfront revenue, but the real gold mine is in the operation. By providing the EV charging services, you can create annual recurring revenue stream, and you can also earn passive income from every charge session. It's a win-win. You get the initial sale and then ongoing revenue as more drivers plug in. Site host model. Next is the site host model. Here, you pay for the installation of EV chargers on a third-party property. With this model, you capture all the revenue from the charge sessions, plus there's an option to share profits with the property owner, especially if they're covering the electricity costs. It's all about negotiating the right deal.
Oh, yeah.
Whether you install your own meter or work out an agreement, you're in control. Owner operator. Finally, we have the owner-operator model. This is where you own the land and monetize your property with EV charging. As an owner-operator, you can create income from your property for as long as possible. EV charging is a passive operation once it's installed, but don't forget, you do need a solution provider to manage the complexities, especially in public, multifamily, and fleet charging scenarios. Just like we're building at 15555 San Fernando Mission Boulevard. EVII Initiative is the charge port operator. We are the owner operator. We own the land and we operate the site, providing a revenue stream for all shareholders who are involved. At EVII Initiative, our point of sale is as simple as scan and start, or just plug in and tap your membership card. We're always improving because we want to make it as easy as possible for drivers to start a charge. Remember, it's crucial to capture the sale at the pump and not retroactively. That's where the real value lies. So there you have it. 3 powerful ways to win in the EV charging business. Whether you're selling hardware, hosting sites, or operating your own property, there's a massive opportunity to be part of this electric revolution. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, stay charged, and get ready for what's next.
To do business.
EVII initiative, enabling the next generation.